What's up guys, Airsoft Boy here. I haven't done a video in a while, but I got 2 new airsoft guns. This one costs like $3 or $2. You know, it comes with the flashlight, the laser, and the gun. This is actually attached to it, so you can't take it off. Let me show you. So it's like attached to it, you can't like take it off. But it's actually really cool. Flashlight, the laser. So yeah, it's really cool. Just pull it back from up here like the M303 and just shoot. This is the mag button right here. Push this out. It drops out actually. There's no place for this actually hold. You actually have to hold this down. And BBs. I'm gonna make another video on my other airsoft gun that I got today. It's clear, and it cost me $15 for a clear gun. Okay, let me load the mag first. You don't push them in like the M303, you actually just let them fall in. There. It can actually hold 10 of these BBs. They don't go that far, but it's really good. Watch. Seeing this? Wait. It landed over there in the grass. It doesn't go too far, but it's actually really good. They actually fly up like a sniper. And so, yeah. I'm gonna do the shooting test later. And so, this was the unboxing and the kind of review of the Airsoft 666AF. So, I'll see you guys later. And bye. Don't think I'm the Illuminati.